Just received your new Revolut 18 card and eager to start using it? Activating your card is a quick and essential step for making transactions. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily activate your Revolut 18 card. To activate your Revolut 18 card, open the Revolut app on your smartphone and ensure you are logged into the Revolut 18 profile. Navigate to the Cards section. You should see your new physical card listed, likely with an Activate prompt. Tap on the card, and the app will guide you through the activation process. This usually involves entering the last 4 digits of your card number, or the CVV. You might also be prompted to set or confirm your PIN. Finally, once you've entered the required details, your Revolut 18 card will be activated and ready for use. It's often recommended to make your first transaction by inserting the card into a terminal and entering your PIN for full activation of contactless features. And there you have it. Activating your Revolut 18 card is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.